Hi fam, how's everyone doing? Whoops. Nothing new here, always just dropping everything. I was gonna create a Christmas look today since I am not going to work today and I wanted to at least just commit some time to you guys and to my YouTube family. And yeah, so because I know I won't have another chance to do this here, and I know you guys are going to be looking at my bra strap. That is totally fine with me. I do not care. This bra is very expensive, like 50 bucks at Victoria's Secret. I highly suggest you ladies out there go and invest on a good bra at Victoria's Secret. That's all I get. All I get is the Victoria's Secret bras, and they last for me. One would probably last for like 3 years or something like that. I mean, they're really worth your money. So, and I'm going to go ahead and take off my glasses. I know you can see a reflection of the ring light in the back, but that's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on with the base. I'll be right back. Bye, everybody. Let's see. So I got my base down, and then I got, you know, this bake going on. I actually don't have my eyebrows on yet, so I am gonna do that at the very end. So I have the picture inspired that I am going to use, and it's on my laptop, so that's why I'm looking over there, and I'm gonna keep looking over there just to keep getting the idea on what to do. We are going to do our eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna clean off my brush real quick with a wipe. And this is a Wet n Wild concealer brush. I got it from the dollar store. So dollar store got some nice little Wet n Wild stuff. If you are not into the whole expensive thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a base to my lid. I'm gonna use the palette from the Gift of Gorgeous box that I have. And then this is one of the palettes that I have. I'm gonna use the buttercream, this one. So I'm just, go away. Gonna put that all over my lid. And then prior to this, guys, I already set my eyelids earlier for no creases. Gonna go ahead and probably use a smaller blending brush. Like, she doesn't have anything, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a brown, like a very light brown. I'm gonna put some highlighter on my brow bone. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. It is the limited edition one, and then it's like a sort of pinkish color. So we're gonna bring it down. Then what I'm gonna do is, with that concealer brush, I'm gonna add some concealer to the lid. I'm gonna put it on. So the brush was already wet when I applied it. I'm not trying to make this look like a cut crease. So if it comes out like it, then cool. But if not, then it's what I wanted. Gonna bring it all the way back here. But I'm gonna stop the actual line here, but then just blend it out so it gets soft. So let me see. So I'm gonna grab this gold color right here, as you guys can hopefully see. This is a gold color, okay? So my brush is wet. So what I did was I grabbed a more of a, say, brown, soft brownish color with the glitter. It's a top coat shadow. And I applied it on top of the gold shadow, so it doesn't look as yellow. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liner. So when I do a liner, I start with the wing first. Just like that. We're gonna grab a very fine, small, little angled brush. If I put it on my face, you won't be able to see it. So it's a little angled brush. Grab the color black and start from the middle and then connect it back to the wing. We're gonna go ahead and sort of smoke it out a little bit. So I used the angle brush as a guide, so I created a line there. Went back with the pencil brush and started just smoking it out a little bit, not too much. Tapping off the brush. Smoking out the outer part. Okay, so just like that, that's how we are going to leave it. So from the palette, I'm gonna grab a more pinkish color, just so I could have like a little glow right there. I'm just adding all these colors together, see what, you know, see what I come up with. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this. I had a little bit of it, I think, while I was a little bit of a bake right here, but when I was doing the eye makeup, it like sort of came off on my hand. Okay, so to complete the look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara, my eyebrows, and then we'll be back for the lips. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes, I mean mascara, and back with eyebrows. Okay, so I went ahead and added this glitter palette from Wet n Wild. So I added the gold glitter on top. So if you could see, it has some glitter, some shine to it. And that's what I like, because with her, she has like a ton of glitter on there. So I wanted to go ahead and add lip gloss. So this is the Melted Matte Christmas one from Too Faced in the color Cinnamon Bear. This is by far my favorite one. So there you go, fam, and I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little look here, see here, and I really I really hope that you guys have a very special holiday, and yeah, I guess that's it. What else is there to say? Hopefully you guys could see that glitter right there. That's all I'm really hoping for. It's all about the glitter and that red lip. So have a good day, everybody, and happy holidays. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Share this holiday look on your page, on wherever, Facebook, Instagram, however you could do that. I don't know. But yeah, so comment anything you like from today's look, and once again, don't forget to subscribe. So happy holidays and love you all. Bye.